The common traps that men fall into when they're trying to provide for their family. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. This is an easy one. Is they will sacrifice time with family and the relationships that they're building with their kids or their wife. And the justification is I'm at work providing for you. And I get it. It's this tug of war. It's like, okay, if you don't provide enough, then you live with that guilt. And then if you're always at the office, it's like, I heard somebody say, you want time, but if I give you more time, we don't have money. And then if you want money, that means I have to give up my time. And then it's this vicious cycle. So that's what we fall into is, and here's the other thing. We're always looking over our shoulder at someone else's definition of success and not defining what success looks like for us as individuals in our family. That let's say somebody's got something more or a bigger house or more land or a nicer car, then we're not successful unless we have that as well. You need to stop making those comparisons. Heck, it's one of the commandments in the Bible. That's the traps that we fall into as men, is sacrificing what we're doing it for. We're sacrificing that time and that relationship with our kids or our spouses because we believe this lie that we have to overachieve and spend more time at the office, and that's how we show love. But the love that your kids want is not M-O-N-E-Y, is T-I-M-E. That's how they see love. So that's the trap. Earn more income and less time commitment. Wasn't a quick process. It took 11 years to figure it out through trials, tribulations, and mistakes. I actually talked about it today. Delegation. How do you condense time? You need to be self-aware enough. Like, I feel like if I were to give myself credit, I'm at least aware of my faults. I know where I am weak, where I have weaknesses. And then I plug people in that, that will complement my strengths, but also make up for my weaknesses. And then delegate. If you have a business or you have a product or service and you have a profit, start budgeting with the profit no different than you would with personal finance. We shouldn't, if you're budgeting, you don't spend more than you make, right? That can only happen for so long and then you run out. So the same thing when running a business is you budget the profit. Okay, every little bit is going towards hiring somebody else or some technology to delegate something I don't find joy in doing. You do that enough with the right people where you're actually going to serve and help more people, and then the money just follows. And you're able to do it in less time. So you could get to spend more time doing the things that you enjoy doing with the people you enjoy doing it with. So very general, but it doesn't have to be super complicated. We didn't make it super complicated. Well, we made it super complicated, and that's why it took forever to figure it out.